In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide summoner names in League of Legends. This is a quick tweak that can clean up your screen, help you focus on the action, and reduce distractions during team fights. We'll walk through it step by step, and I'll explain what each option actually does, so you can pick the one that fits your playstyle. First, hop into a game. I recommend using the practice tool or any custom game so you can change settings without the pressure of a live match. Loading into a game matters here because some interface options only appear while you're in-game, not from the main client. Once you're in, open the settings. The easiest way is to press the escape key on your keyboard, which brings up the in-game options menu. You can also click the small gear icon if you see it. From there, select the interface tab. This tab controls what shows up on your screen, from nameplates to health bars to ability timers. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Health and Resource Bars. This is where the game manages what information appears above champions' heads. Look for the setting called Show Names Above Health Bar. Click on it to open the drop-down. This control determines what text, if any, appears above each champion's health bar during gameplay. You've got a couple of choices. If you select none, the game will hide all names entirely. This gives you the cleanest possible look, which some players find helpful for reducing visual clutter and staying focused on positioning and cooldowns. The trade-off is that you won't see any text identifiers above champions, so you'll rely entirely on models, health bars, and minimap information. If you prefer a bit more context without exposing player identities, choose Champion Name. With this option, you'll see the champion's name instead of the summoner's name. It's a nice middle ground. It preserves clarity in chaotic fights, so you know that's the enemy jungler diving you, while keeping summoner names hidden for privacy and consistency. Once you've made your choice, hit save to apply the change. The update should take effect immediately in your current game, and it will carry over to future matches, so you won't have to redo it every time. Move your camera around and hover over different champions to confirm the new behavior. That's it. You're done. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused HUD, whether you prefer zero names or just champion names. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the Rift.